The HOP Content Marketing Framework. It is based on the 4 pillars of successful content marketing: goal-oriented content, research-driven content, authority-building content, and promotion-centric content. Step 1. Goals. Before you begin the process of creating, publishing, and promoting your content, you must have some goals. Researching and creating content with the goal of getting more traffic to your website is not effective. You must research and create content with the goal of solving a customer's needs, or educating them on a topic, or providing them with some sort of value. I cannot stress the importance of having specific goals in mind when creating your content. The only way to be effective is to think of all possibilities that may occur after the content is released. For instance, a common goal might be to increase email sign-up or get more traffic to your site. However, a better goal would be to convert a new visitor into a customer, or to educate them on a topic. As you can see, those are 2 specific goals, with the focus on the customer and not on the website. Step 2. Research. After you have determined the goals you want to accomplish with your content, you must do some research. I cannot overstate the importance of research. If you want to create your content effectively, you must do the necessary research to need, and what's important to them. If you are creating a piece of content on how to change a car tire, you do not need to research tire brands and prices. However, if you are creating a piece of content about ways to reduce your energy costs, you do need to research the options of energy companies and prices. Say, for example, you are creating a piece of content that is information about a topic. We are not only talking about the content you are writing about, but we also want to know about the customers. What do they think? What do they like? What do they hate? Why is it significant? First, you do not want to create your content for yourself, but for your customer. If you create your content for yourself, you are more likely to develop tunnel vision, and will not be able to see the whole picture. Where to start? Step 3. Authority. No one will want to read your content if you have no authority in your industry. So, how do you become an authority in your niche? You must put in the challenging work and do what it takes. What does that mean? You need to create daily content on your blogs, podcasts, social media, and other forms of media and publish it with strong headlines. You also need to write powerful and engaging articles. Research your topic and create an outline. Write a catchy headline, create an eye-catching summary, and develop a strong introduction. What you can do. Keep creating your content. The more content you create, the more you will be recognized as an authority. Achieve some results from your content. The only way to become an authority is to create some results from your content. Do not just create a piece of content for the sake of creating a piece of content. If you want to become an authority in your industry, you need to achieve results. Step 4. Promotion. The last step in creating your content is promotion. Today, if you want to get your content in front of the right eyes, you must promote your content hard. Leverage social media and your network. Promote your content on relevant sites, forums, and groups. Most importantly, be consistent. I know it can be time-consuming, but it's a necessary step if you want to build your place in the industry. Understand your topic. The importance of having specific goals in mind when creating your content. This is important because research will help you understand your audience, what they want, and measure. It will also give your ideas about potential topics that you may not have considered. Identify resources. Now that you are well versed in your topic, you should identify any sources of information that could provide valuable insight into this matter. For example, if you're researching SEO for beginners, the best resource would be Search Engine Land. Use these resources to develop your own thoughts on your topic. You can use these as references to write your initial drafts. Create your first draft. After identifying all the resources you've used, it's time to start writing. Write an outline and a rough draft. If you have an innovative idea of where you want to go with your content, then it's time to write. But don't stop here. Make sure you proofread and edit your writing before submitting. The HOP Content Marketing Framework can give you the structure and clarity you need to create authoritative, research-based content that will promote your business and reach your goals. Start using the HOP framework today and see how it can help you achieve your content marketing goals.